Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class we do some gate bits. The basics to understand these gate bits is provided in our previous classes. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's examples, this example is given in GATE 2007. So what's the example says is consider the following finite state automata. They have given some finite state automata. The language accepted by this automata is given by the regular expression. We have to identify for the regular expression that this finite automata is going to generate. Means what language this is going to accept. Now coming to our, we can use state elimination method, but doing all those things is not possible in GATE exam. We have to, by looking at this example, we have to identify the expression. That is the process you have to understand. So let's how we are doing, let's try to understand so that you in your practice you will get all those things. Now from the initial state, this is the initial state. From the initial state we cannot move to Q3 state, so we can eliminate this state. So Q3 is eliminated. After eliminating this Q3 state, what's the expression it is going to give? B, any number of b's, we stay on Q0. After finding A, we are moving to Q1. Q1 is a final state. This is given as B star A. Whenever we see B star A, we are moving to Q1 state, final state. It is accepted. After moving to final state, whatever you see, if you see B, we are staying on Q1. It is accepted. If you see A, we are moving to Q2. Q2 is also final state, so it is accepted. If you see B, accepted. A, accepted. We are going on, keeps on going loop here. Any string after finding B star A, anything is accepted. That is given as A plus B whole star. So that's why the regular expression is given as B star A plus B whole star. This is the output. Third one is the output for our given finite automata. The same thing, the next question is for the above diagram, whatever this is, they will give two questions for the same diagram. Consider the automata given in previous question. This is the finite automata we have to consider. In this finite automata, the minimum state automata equivalent to the above finite state automata has the following number of states. We have to identify the minimum DFA. Minimum DFA. You can do the procedure which we discussed in our previous classes, but it is not possible in GATE exam. We have to solve it in 1 or 2 minutes. That's why how to what's the minimize the DFA, that let's try to understand. So what's the regular expression for this language? B star A plus B whole star. Means that can be written as B star A plus B whole star can be given as A comma B. After that you find anything, this is accepted. This is what the minimize the DFA is. So how many states we are having in this minimize the DFA? We are having 2 states. That's why the answer is B, 2 states. Okay, coming to the next example, this is given in GATE 2005. Consider the finite, the machine M. This is the machine which we are going to consider. So M is given as this, and they are asking for the language recognized by M is. What's the language this finite automata is going to recognize? Let's try to understand this. If you see B, stay on here. If you see B, stay on here. Whenever you see A, we are moving 1 step. After seeing A, if you see A, we are going to dead state. This is dead state. Whenever you move to the state, we are staying on the state. We are not going to anywhere. This we call it as dead state. See, after seeing A, definitely we have to see B. If you see A, we are moving to dead state. After seeing A, we have to see B. After seeing B, again we have to see B. If you see A, we are going to dead state. Means after seeing A, we have to see 2 B's at least 2 B's. Any number of B's that are accepted. But if you see A, again we are repeating this logic. After seeing A, we have to see 2 B's. After seeing A, we have to see 2 B's. After seeing A, we have to see 2 B's. Minimum 2 B's, at least 2 B's. That is the language it is going to accept. So it is given as W belongs to A, B whole star. Every A in W is followed by exactly 2 B's. No, that is not the case in our example. Not exactly 2 B's. Minimum 2 B's. After that, any number of B's are accepted. See, any number of B's are accepted when we reach the final state. So W that belongs to A comma B whole star. Every A in W is followed by at least 2 B's. Every A followed by at least 2 B's. This is the language accepted by the finite automata. Our answer is B. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.